Hello everyone. Today I'll walk you through a simple tutorial on how to manually perform seam correction using LED setting. First, open the software and click on Pixel by Pixel Calibration, Brightness Coefficient Maintenance. We recommend setting your computer display to extended mode and switching the LED canvas to the extended desktop. Under Screen Size, adjust the values to match the actual size of the screen to ensure a pixel-to-pixel display. Next, click Get Screen Information, and in the calibration settings, enable PC Simulated Calibration. Now, select all calibration coefficients and set them uniformly to 0.85. Be sure to apply this change to the green and blue channels as well. Once done, save the calibration coefficients and then proceed to the Deseam function. In the Edit Module Size section, if you're correcting by module or by cabinet, set the partition size according to the actual module dimensions. After that, observe the screen from the front and begin adjusting any visible bright or dark lines. Select the corresponding seam. For dark lines, increase the coefficient. For bright lines, decrease the coefficient. Once all adjustments are complete, apply the coefficients and save them to the receiving cards. After the coefficients have been sent, change the calibration setting to enable brightness calibration on receiving card and save the parameters again to the receiving card. And that's the complete process for manual seam correction. Thank you all for watching.